Hey guys, it's Jay-Z here from Nutrisize. Just going to do a little product review for the Jetboil Carbon Flash Hike stove. So this bad boy right here. So I won't spend too long on it. I've been using this product for close to a year and a half, and I've done a fair few hikes with it. So it's not one of those reviews where I've just picked it up and used it once, so which is good. It's been tested and used over a considerable period. So with the Jetboil, as you can see, it has this compartment here just to make sure when you do heat it up, you don't burn. So as you can see, it comes in three parts, minus the gas stove. Obviously the gas stove goes underneath like so, screws on, and then basically you turn it on by flicking this switch here to spark and ignite the gas flame, and this goes on top like so, and you fill it up with water. Yeah, it's a good product. It is a really good product. It hasn't really let me down. Like even in high winds and freezing conditions, I've cooked food yeah, quite easily. It's boiled the water in 2 to 3 minutes, so not very long. Obviously, you can adjust that as well when you do boil it. You can add more gas or less gas, as most gas cookers are like. You got your top here, goes over the top as well. There's a cool feature when you do boil it. This turns red and gives you an idea when the water is ready to use. But obviously, when you're boiling water, you can see that it's boiling and it's hot enough. Yeah, great little product. Definitely worth the money. I got this for about 160 bucks. Club price with BCF, as you can see there. But yeah, it's definitely worth the money. It is a good little product, and yeah, it hasn't let me down.